Hi, thanks for joining me. This is the instructions or the video tutorial of how to make the Miss Muffin jacket available in my Etsy shop. The link is in the bio. If you've never had a PDF pattern, the procedure is to print out the pattern pieces and you tape them together in order. And I do have a guide that'll help you keep the pieces in order to tape them. And once you cut them out, you should have 5 pieces consisting of a front and back sleeve, a front and back jacket, and also the collar. And the layout is pretty simple. Just follow the grain lines. And so we'll get started with the jacket front and the sleeve front. You're going to take those pieces and correct side to correct side. You're going to sew them together at the armhole. And once you do that, you'll have a left side and a right side of the jacket. Now here's the jacket back and the sleeve back. You're going to do the same thing you did as the front. You're going to sew together at the armhole, correct side to correct side. And once that's finished, you'll have a complete back piece. Now you're going to take your assembled front piece and your assembled back piece and you're going to put them together correct side to correct side, and you're going to sew at the top of the sleeve. Once you do that, you open it up. It'll look something like this. And now is a great time to go ahead and prepare your sleeve hem. I chose a double fold for my sleeve hem. Basically, it's a 1/2 inch seam allowance already finger pressed out, but then I folded a second time, referring to the double turn, and that is how I like to finish my hem. And I'll do the same for the sleeve as I will for the actual hem in the jacket. So now correct side to correct side, you can finish out sewing the jacket, and you're going to sew the bottom of the sleeve now and continue on to the side seam at the same time, so you don't have to stop and start again. Just keep a continuous stitch from the sleeve hem all the way to the hem of the jacket in one run. And now I'm ready to hem the jacket itself, and also the front side, the front of the jacket as well is also considered the hem. So it's like a continuous fold from left to right. So lastly, we have the collar, and be sure to follow the instructions of cutting it on the bias. You're going to cut 2 and place them correct side to correct side. You're going to sew one side and leave one side open. Trim your seam allowance and press it out. And the side that you do leave open, there's one side that you're going to turn under, and that's in preparation for when it's time to close the collar. And there's a close-up of that. So the side that has not been turned under, you're going to pin to the actual neckline of the jacket. And going in and stitching now carefully. And you're leaving the side free that you had already turned in a 1/2 inch, and you'll see why in just a second, because I'm going to use what I call a stitch in the ditch method to close the collar. So that's basically by prematurely folding a 1/2 inch in, that's basically my guide for when I sew from the other side, which you'll see here shortly. So now I can pin down that side that I had already folded to encase the seam allowance. And from the correct side of the jacket, I am now performing a stitch in the ditch. Basically, my needle falls where the actual seam is. And at the same time, the needle is also catching the other side of the collar in order to close it. And here's a close-up of what that looks like now once you're finished. And we are finished. So wasn't that simple? And here's a few more pictures of the finished outcome. Very cute jacket. It's similar to the Jackie O. Also, Melania Trump wore the same style jacket. And here's my little model coming up, and I appreciate you for purchasing this pattern in my Etsy shop. It is a size small for a toddler girl. And please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.